parking. I guess
We
I'm gonna
gotta
go
get
by
out
this
of
van.
the
Yeah, I'm gonna go by the van.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Go ahead, Mark. Go ahead.
Yeah. All right, you good, Ron? Come on. Come my way. Yep.
All right.
Yeah, you
Thank
good. Absolutely. And it must not.
So are they riding in twos or staggered?
But it's all out of love. I'm waiting. Coming straight through that building.
Man, I'm so glad I wore my layers the way I did.
Shit.
Me too. You know I'm layered up.
Man.
Yeah, but when we stop, I'm coming out this jacket.
Oh, sorry. Watch that car.
No.
Right.
Look at them in the window. Twerking.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Oh, that's a girl. Yeah.
man, this is a nice ride down here.
It is.
That's right.
Yeah, they didn't even want to ride.
Just a straight shot.
Straight shot.
Yeah.
Are we still on the beach or did we go inland?
Yeah, no, the beach. You see the resort's on the left. That's the water on your
Yeah.
left.
Oh, okay. So we went
Uh-huh.
south.
We're going straight west.
Okay, okay.
You can't go south. You'll be in the water. Remember, we're at the Gulf.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
Saturday's morning come.
I got you.